Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. And see again I'm back here to teach you standard 3 English course. It's a lecture number 2. So please watch this video till last, because after finishing the chapter I will give you a few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary, and you should write down it in your fair course copy. Please write down it in your fair copy, and please complete all the homework on time. You have a lots of time, so do not waste your time. So let's start the chapter. So we are talking about the lemon plants, that how we can grow a lemon plants, where the lemon is telling us that how we can grow a lemon plant with the lemon seeds. So first of all, you know that the lemon plants it gives us juicy lemons, which makes juice, which make us the lemon dust and iced teas. So for that, if we want to keep us the lemon with us at home, for that we have to grow our own lemons. So first of all, if your mummy has cut the lemons to make your favorite nimbu pani, then you ask to your mother to give few seeds of the lemons before throwing that lemons in the dustbin. Then after, you can collect the lemon seeds, at least 5, and then you can just with them you can grow it a lemon plant. Before that, you can soak that all 5 seeds which we have taken from the lemons into the warm water, and then you can put it at least 6 to 12 hours. Then after, you can wipe them dry before when you are going to put it on the pot to grow the plants. After that, now ask one of the elders in the house to prepare a pot with soil in it. Then after, you can tell your elder brothers or elders in your house to prepare a small pot and which filled up with soil. Then after, once it's done, once you just put that pot soil into that pot, after that dig small holes with the back of a pencil, the depth half of your index finger. Then after, you can just make a small holes with the back of pencil, with this back of pencil or with fingers, at least fingers inch. Then after, in the soil, and place the seeds you prepared and cover them with the water. After that, that you have dig that soil, you just put that soil inside that soil, put the seeds inside the soils, and then after, you can cover that seeds with the soil, like you are just planting any plants with the help of seeds. Like exactly you have to do, like you have to put that soils into that. And you know that for growing up plants in a good manner, so first of all, you have to give the waters so that it can grow properly. Then after, water the pot and continue to water the pot whenever you feel the top of the soil is dry. Then after, you can put the water on the pot continuously whenever you will see that the top of the soil is dry. The top of the soil is dry with the sunlight. Continuously you can give the water to the soil. Remember to keep the pot in sunlight, because that helps the seeds grows into a plant. So please remember it, that the pot of the soil and the seeds where you have kept, you should not keep that pot inside the house. You have to keep it in a safe place where they can take the sunlight, so that with the help of that sunlight, the seeds can grow into a plant. Next page. Then after, in a few days or weeks, because of some lazy plant, so that you will see teeny green shoots coming from the soil. So those are baby lemon plants for you. After that, after the few weeks, we can see that from the soil the green plants and some is coming from outside, and that is the baby lemon plants for you. Then after, we have to give the continuous water to the soil. Keep feeding them water till they are become enough to live on their own. Then we have to give them water that baby lemon plant till that they become big plant so that they can live their own. Then after, once they are big enough, transfer them to individual pots so that they don't fight for space. Then after, if it becomes a big enough plant, you can transfer that plant into a big plant so that they do not feel that it's small place and they do not fight for the space, so that they can grow in a spread in a large space. Then after, someday when the plant is big enough, it might give you a lemon fruit just like the one it is started from. And then after the some days, the plant is become big enough, then maybe it gives you a lemon fruit just like the one. If one will start, then it will give you the more, and so on. So yeah, your chapter is completed, and like that you can grow a plants, lemon plants, your own lemon plants with the seeds of the lemon plants. You can follow these rules and you can grow also your own lemon plant at your home. So yeah, it's your completed, and please read the chapter once again. So here again I am going to give you few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary. So from chapter 11, you have a few words in your book, at least 4 words in your book. Instead of that, I will give you more few words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary and you can write down it in your fair copy. So in your book, the pesto, chlorophyll, chemistry and photosynthesis word meaning is already given here in your book. You can write down this word meaning in your copy. Instead of that, I am going to give you the words. So please take out your rough copy and you should write down it in your rough copy. After that, once the online class will over, you can write down it in your fair copy and you can find out the meaning from dictionary. So your first word is split. So write down the spelling. S as in sun, P as in parrot, L as in lion, I as in orange, I as in ice cream, and T as in tiger. So your word comes like S-P-L-I-T, split. Next word is track. So your words like spelling is like C as in car, R as in rose, A as in apple, C as in coconut, and K as in kite. So your word comes like C-R-A-C-K, crack. Next word is invisible. Write down the spelling. I as in ice cream, N as in nose, V as in van, I as in ink, S as in sun, again I as an ice cream, B as in bat, L as a leopard, and E as an ear. So your word comes like I-N-V-I-S-I-B-L-E, invisible. Next word is soak. Write down the spelling. S as in soap, O as an orange, A as an aeroplane, K as in kite. So your word comes like S-O-A-K, soak. Next word is whip. Write down the spelling. W as in watch, I as in ice, P as in potato, and E as in eyes. So your word comes like W-I-P-E, whip. Next word is dry. So write down the spelling. D as in dragon, R as in rose, and Y as in yellow. So your word comes like D-R-Y, dry. Next word is depth. So write down the spelling. D as in dog, E as in ear, P as in potato, T as in tiger, and H as in horse. So your word comes like D-E-P-T-H, depth. And your last word is shoot. So write down the spelling. S as in sun, H as in hen, O as in orange, again O as in ox, T as in tiger, and S as in sun. So your word comes like shoots, shoots. So only that much word is there. You can find out the meaning from dictionary and you can write down it in your fair copy. Till that, take care of yourself. Again I will back to teach you the next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.